Equation for position-velocity relation. The third equation will be obtained from these two equations. From the velocity time graph, distance traveled s is equal to area of the trapezium OABT. This is 1 upon 2 into B1 plus B2 whole into h, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into OA plus BD whole into AC. Substituting OA by U, BD by V and AC by T, we get S is equal to 1 upon 2 into U plus V whole into T, equation 1. But we know that A is equal to V minus U whole upon T, or T is equal to V minus U whole upon A. Substituting the value of T in equation 1, we get V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. 2AS is equal to V plus U into V minus U. V plus U into V minus U is equal to 2AS. By using the identity A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B, we get V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. This is the third equation of motion.